Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Math, question number 36. This is an MCQ. Which one of the following solids is formed from the net? The net. Given below, this is the net. And we can only see at most 3 faces of the cube at a time. Like this, 1, 2, 3 faces. We can only see 3 faces at a time. So in other words, if 2 faces are opposite each other, like this black square and this cross, they are opposite each other on the cube. So then we can only see one of them. That means if we can see the cross here, and we cannot see, we are not able to see the black square because it is opposite to the cross. And for this black circle, it is opposite to the white color circle. So this figure impossible, because they are adjacent to each other, black and white. And also this gray color square, if we shift it to the lower part, is here, and it is adjacent to the cross here, but the cross here, this face, is opposite to the gray color square. So this figure, this solid, impossible. And also, as you can see, as we mentioned before, the cross and the black color square are opposite each other, okay? So impossible. And the answer is A, 1. Answer 1. Option 1. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.